Are you ready for a jaw-dropping transformation? Check out how I turned this Galaxy S8 from a total wreck into a brand new phone. This phone looks like it fought in a war and lost. So stick around till the end for the full restoration. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you can see how bad this phone looks. It doesn't turn on, it won't charge, and I have no clue how it got into the shape it is. But I am open to theories. So I got a new display and frame from AliExpress, and they also threw in this back glass for free. Well, you can see why it's free, because it's actually used. But surprisingly, the exterior looks almost new, so I'm not even mad. Alright, let's get started with our makeover, shall we? I don't need to use any heat here, because the back glass is already cracked. But if yours is still intact, make sure you heat it up before you pry it open. And be careful with the fingerprint sensor, you don't want to damage the cable. Once the back glass is off, we can move on to the screws. All screws are Phillips and there are 14 of them that need to go. After taking out the screws, we can pop off the plastic bracket and disconnect everything we can see, starting with the battery. Wow, look at how dirty the bottom bracket is, and the water damage sticker is pink. That means water got inside. But luckily it didn't reach the motherboard. We still have a chance to save this phone, and I'll clean these parts up later. For now, let's unscrew the remaining 6 screws and continue with the teardown. Hey, are you enjoying the video so far? If you are, please hit that subscribe button and show some love. Also, leave a like and a comment. I'd love to hear from you. You guys are awesome and I appreciate your support so much. Thank you. Now let's take a look at our water damaged components. The subboard looks pretty bad. I'm gonna use some isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the dirt and corrosion and just hope for the best. And while I'm at it, I'll also clean up the other parts that were affected by the broken screen. Now we can put some of the components back just to test the screen. We just need to reconnect the boards, the proximity sensor, the battery and the wireless charging coil. If you don't place the wireless charging coil correctly, you might get a heat warning and it won't charge. And you will see what I mean in a bit. And there's the warning. But after a small adjustment, you can see the phone is alive again and charging. That's awesome! It actually works again. Playing with the touch seems to be working just fine and the screen looks great too. Good job AliExpress, you saved me a lot of money today. Now we can finish putting this phone back together. Time to peel off the plastic protectors from the frame and reinstall our components for good. Did you ever have an S8 series phone? How did you like it? Let me know down in the comments. I had some bad experience with Samsung phones. Well, I never had the flagships because I couldn't afford them. But the ones I owned had terrible battery life, so I usually had Huawei phones until they were basically nerfed. Speaking of Huawei, if you want, you can check out my last video where I restored the Huawei Nova 5T by clicking on the pop-up banner above. Thanks! Now I'm cleaning the bottom bracket with the speaker because it has some old adhesive on it, and put everything back in place. Now I also cleaned the wireless charging coil because it also has some adhesive on it. And now we're almost done, just a few more screws to go. After putting back our screws, I try to clean up as best as possible the inside with alcohol, and I can move on to the back glass that needs some work before I can stick it to the phone. I'm not gonna remove all the adhesive because I don't want to scratch it, but I am removing the adhesive around the edges because we'll use a new pre-cut adhesive to hold it in place. After putting the fingerprint sensor frame on our new back glass that is also old, we add new adhesive and press the back glass firmly. To make sure it stays in place, I use some rubber bands and clamps. After a while I can take them off and we can polish the phone and turn it back on. Speeding through the setup process, we can do a final check of the screen to make sure we didn't damage anything during our assembly. And there you have it, guys, we did it. We restored this phone from a disaster to a phone that looks like it got out of the factory. It was smashed all over, plus water damaged. And now it works like new. I hope you had fun watching the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. More videos like this come out every single week. I had so much fun restoring this phone. I hope you guys did too. See you next time. Bye guys.